Good morning. Yet another case, probably new. This relates to Prevention of Witch, WITC, Witch Dane Practices Act 9 of 1999. AR 2025, Supreme Court 185. AR 2025, Supreme Court 185. Rajiv Kumar Upadhyaya versus Srikanth Upadhyaya and others. Actually, even prior to this act, there is one more colonial act is existing to prevent advertising for black magic. But you can see daily Tandi that multi number of ad are being published and nobody take care, the police not take care about implementation of that prevention of advertisement for black magic. Here, this case, the Supreme Court has dealt with Article 51A of Constitution, then Section 4 of the Prevention of Witch Dasein Practices Act, Section 4. Actually, this is very, the judge quoted John Stuart Mill, who wrote an article 1869 on subjection of woman. There he says, dignity goes to the very core of the existence of an individual in society. Any action which undermines a dignity either by an act of another person or that of state is potentially going against the spirit of the Constitution of India. This Stuart Mill has stated that what he has stated, legal subordination of one sex to other is wrong in itself, and now one of the chief hindrance to human improvement, and that it ought to be replaced by system of perfect equality, admitting no power or privilege on one side nor disability on the other side. So that was John Stuart Mill's about the equality of human rights. This is 1869, during which time the women were considered to be chattels. Even the Price Act, International Price Act also deals with this subject, that when one country conquers the other country, the woman captured will be shared and taken away as chattels. This is the case where a old woman was waylaid, accusing that she was practicing which resulting his children are suffering fever, and when she reiterated stating that I am not a witch, I am nothing to do with that, she was derobed, her chain was snatched, and she was pulled, she was beaten, so many things. Therefore, FIR was filed against multi number of persons for offences punishable under section 341, 323, 354, 354B, 379, 504, 506, 149 of Indian Penal Code, and section 3 and 4 of the Witch Act, Design Act, against 13 persons. Subsequently, they seem to have filed a criminal MP and obtained a stay from Patna High Court, and that was challenged before the Supreme Court. The person who filed a criminal OP withdrew it. Then what had happened? The Supreme Court, instead of simply closing it, they said this is a case of 2000, and since the case is pending 2025, they want that this case should be tried a day-to-day basis, and directed the district court to try these offences, heinous offences. Go through this judgment. You can, if you are interested in writing any article about women empowerment and women harassment, this will help you. Okay. Then I would like to share you one thing. Suppose if you are deceived or you are cheated, and by luring some other promises, somebody has gained wrongful gain from you and resulting financial loss or mental agony to you. Please do not share these events to your friends, your relatives, and particularly even family members, because they would realize that you have certain weakness, so that you will be easily cheated, and they will be on cue to cheat you when time comes to favorable to you. This is my experience. Be alert. Then question arises: the leaders who have been offered malas, these towels, shawls, are simply receiving it and handing it. See, this is Dravidian culture. This is what we could say that worst behavior, indignified behavior. Treating the members, their own political as slavers, bonded laborers. See, when we offer some malas or something to idols, maybe Hindu idols or the Masood, and wherever we offer something, and that will be placed before the shrine or the deity, or whatever it may be, the worship entity. Something else will be returned back to us. That is called noble behavior of and auspicious behavior of the authorities who are dealing with this. Here, a leader, even without touching, simply that is his behavior. He is unfit to be a leader, sir, and to be dignified. You are not offering just like to any nobleman who can behave properly. Otherwise, do not receive it. Why you behave like that? Just like snatching it. This is a very causing much problem to me. Then another aspect is also most important. There were few functions nowadays inviting Supreme Court judges and celebrating functions after functions, inviting judges, Chief Justice, and etc. Why $1,000 questions? Because there will be likely to be list of panel advocates and district judges for elevations. So this canvas is being held at cost of your presence. You are being invited for what? To be present by giving some other things. Somebody is financing. Huge finances are there. Whatever it may be, we can't prevent it. I hope the present collegium of Supreme Court as well as Chennai High Court would fully concentrate on competence rather from hereditary or influence or from lobby system or the state agitations, which would destroy the sanctum of judicial administration, which only prevails to protect the constitution as only. That was my humble submissions, that equality is best. Equality only on merit. Equality means there should be legitimate discrepancy. If there is a legitimate discrepancy, rather denying equality is legal. Illegitimate discrepancy, you can challenge it. But this constitutional bench being run by intelligence experts, once they are elevated, they are trained to work hard to maintain the dignity, not only dignity of the sanctum of the judiciary, but also their nobility, preventing their involvement directly in the society. Some few after retirement goes and pavement and street and indulge in commenting about whatever they want. All these things are happening because they are not now judges. I do not know why they are doing it. That is what I could say. And Thiruvalluvar has categorically stated about these fellows. Okay, best wishes. I talked too much today, I think.